Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Xbox app login problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to clear Xbox data. To do this, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Search for Xbox. Close the Xbox related task. Just right click on it and select End Task. Do the same thing for Windows processors as well. You just need to right click on it and select go to details. You just need to now select end task it guys one by one. And after doing this, you just need to close it off here. Right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. In here, search for packages folder. Double click on it. And you need to find the Microsoft.xbox folder guys. Just scroll down and find it. Here are the folders. You need to select these folders and delete it guys. Microsoft.xbox folders. Just press in keyboard control and select all of these. And now right click on it and select delete it. Select continue. Select try again. If any folders are not be deleted, then you just need to select cancel and manually delete it guys. To do this, you just need to double click on the folder and just delete like this. And now go back and delete the folder. And after doing this, close it off here. Right click on the recycle bin and select empty recycle bin and select yes. After doing this, go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to copy the first code and paste it in and press enter. This will open up a Microsoft Store guys. In my case, I already installed the gaming services. You need to select the install option and install the gaming service guys. After installing the gaming services, you just need to close it off here. Now open the Xbox and try to sign in and check if the problem solved or not. If you still having problem, then let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to enable Xbox services. To do this, go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. You just need to scroll down to the bottom and you can able to see the Xbox services. You just need to right click on it one by one and select properties. Select the startup type automatic, and if the service status is stopped, then you just need to start it. Select apply and OK for save changes. Do the same process for other Xbox services as well. After doing this, close off here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to use a code in CMD. To do this, go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you can check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy and paste it. After pasting the command, you just need to press in enter and change service config success. Now you just need to close it off here. Now you can try to log into Xbox and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.